Hello dear children. Today in this session we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, Obey Your Elders, from your moral science book. So without any further delay, let's get started. Lesson number 5, Obey Your Elders. Take out page number 24. Obedience means listening to elders and doing things what they ask you to do. These elders can be anyone. They could be your parents, grandparents, teachers, etc. Your parents and teachers love you. They want you to see happy, so it is good to obey them. If you listen to them, you will be happy. So what is the meaning of obedience? Obedience means listening to elders and doing things what they ask you to do. Okay, your elders may be anyone. It may be your parents, it may be your grandparents, it may be your teachers, it may be your elder brother, your elder sisters, anybody. So you should listen and you should obey your elders, because if you obey them, you will be happy and you will learn many things. Because when your elders give you advice, they are doing it for your good. Okay, they want you to be happy, so it is good to obey them, and you will be happy when you listen to their advice, because they will not give you any wrong advice. Here is a short story based on obedience. Read it carefully. What is the name of the short story? The Hidden Treasure. What is hidden? Hidden means chupa. Treasure means khazana. That means the meaning of this story, the hidden treasure, the chupa hua khazana. Alright. So let's start the story. Once there was a farmer. The farmer was very hardworking. The farmer had 4 sturdy sons, but they were very lazy. They spent the whole day wandering in the village. The farmer was worried about his son. Now once there was a farmer. You know who is a farmer? One who works in a field and grows crops for us, right? So once there was a farmer and he had 4 sons. Though the farmer was very hardworking, but his sons were very lazy. Okay, they spent whole day wandering in the village. They used to move here and there, talk with people, doing nothing, and just they sit idle whole day. They were wandering, idhar se udhar ghumna. Okay, they spent the whole day wandering in the village, and the farmer was worried about his son. The farmer was very worried because his 4 sons were not working at all, and he was worried about them, that if they sit like this, they will not learn any good thing in life. So one day he thought of a plan. See in page number 25. One day he made a plan. He pretended to be ill. He called his sons and said, "My dear sons, I will not live for long, so I want to share a secret with you. There is a treasure hidden in my field. Dig the field and take it out. Share it equally amongst yourself." So what he thought? He was planning. He was tricking his son. He was pretending to be ill. Pretending means दिखावा करना. Okay, he was pretending to be ill. Ill means he was not well. So उसने दिखावा किया कि वो बीमार है. He was pretending to be ill, and he called his sons. He called his sons and said, "My dear son, my dear sons, I will not live for long. I will die very soon. I will not live for long. I am going to die very soon. So I want to share a secret with you. I want to share a secret." Okay, there is a treasure hidden in my field. What is treasure? I told you khazana. Yes, and hidden mean छुपा हुआ. So there is a khazana in my field. छुपा हुआ खजाना. There is a hidden treasure in my field. Dig the field. Dig the field and take it out. Share it equally amongst yourself. He said that there is a hidden treasure in the field, so you have to dig it out and take it and share among you all. That means the sons were given the permission to share the hidden treasure among themselves. So next morning all the 4 brothers went to the field and started digging. Khodna. Digging mean khodna. Next morning all the 4 brothers went to the field and started digging eagerly. They dug every inch and corner of the field. उन्होंने चारों तरफ जमीन को खोदा. But could not find any treasure anywhere. But they did not find any treasure anywhere. They went to their father and said, Father, we have dug the whole field, but found nothing. They went and they were complaining to their father, we have dug the whole field, but there was nothing. There was no hidden treasure. Then the farmer said, Sons, when you have dug the whole field so well, why don't you sow some corn? Said the farmer. He said to his son that you have dug the field so well, now do one thing. Why don't you sow some corn? क्यों नहीं कुछ बीज लगा लेते उस ज़मीन पर? Okay, then so they sowed corn in the field. Now the 4th son, what they did, they have sown corn in the field. Luckily it rained very well that year. Luckily it rained very well that year, and there was a good crop. There was a good crop. The young men showed the field to their father. The farmer said happily in pride. Now what happened? One of their sons showed the field to their father. Look, the crops are growing. Okay, and the farmer was very happy to see that the crops are really growing well. Then he said, this is the hidden treasure, and that I was talking about. What the farmer said, the crops that are growing. Okay, and after some days it will produce some corn also. So he was very happy to see that, and he said that this is the hidden treasure. ये जो खेती तुम लोगों ने किया है, यही है छुपा हुआ खजाना. Share it among yourself. He said, share it among yourself. If you work hard, you will get many more of it. If you keep on working hard like this, you will get many more of it. Then onwards, the son began to work hard in the field. Soon they became rich and lived happily ever after. Then they followed their father's advice and started to work very hard in the field, and they became rich. Okay, they became rich and they lived happily ever after. Though the farmer's sons were lazy, but they were obedient. First they were very lazy, they did not do anything, they were just wandering in the village, but they were obedient. They listened to their father's advice, and that advice, the obedience, brought happiness for them. So dear children, you should also obey your elders. Whatever the advice given by your parents, grandparents, teachers, or any other elders, you should listen to them, so that it will bring you happiness if you listen to them. Why? Because they are advising you not for your wrong, but for your good. Understood? In the next class we will do page number 26 and 27, the exercises part. All right, thank you.